Hey everyone, do you want to know about creatures who ruled the earth for millions of years and lost into dust? And about their origin, timeline, and many more things? So stay with us till the end of this video. Let's begin. Let's start with the fossil. All of this was started with Robert Plot, who was an English naturalist, first professor of chemistry at the University of Oxford. He discovered the first fossil of a dinosaur bone in 1666 to 67, but he guessed that this bone is of a giant human. After that, William Buckland, the first professor of geology at Oxford University, identified it as a dinosaur bone. Modern scientists believe that this bone is of a dinosaur named as Megalosaurus. Before moving forward, can you guess the dangerous dinosaur ever lived? If you know the answer, then write it in the comment section, and if you don't know, then you will find it soon. Now, moving to Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era, the second of the Earth's three major geologic eras. The Mesozoic era began 252 million years ago and ended 66 million years ago and lasted for almost 180 million years. In this era, the dinosaurs settled into their role as the lords of the earth, the ancestors of major plant and animals. Groups that exist today first appeared during the Mesozoic, but this era is best known as the time of the dinosaur. The Mesozoic was also a time of great change in the terrestrial vegetation. The early Mesozoic was dominated by ferns. The major divisions of the Mesozoic era are, from oldest to youngest, the Triassic period, the Jurassic period, and the Cretaceous period. So now, moving to Triassic period. The Triassic period was the first period of the Mesozoic era and occurred between 251 million and 199 million years ago. At the beginning of the Triassic, most of the continents were concentrated in the giant C-shaped supercontinent known as Pangaea. Climate was generally very dry over much of Pangaea with very hot summers and cold winters in the continental interior. Major species of Triassic period: Mosasaurus, Postosuchus, Shawneesaurus, and Tenistrophysius, and many more species, and we will cover them in the upcoming videos. Now, moving to the Jurassic period. The Jurassic period was the second segment of the Mesozoic era. It occurred from 199 million years ago to 145 million years ago. During the Jurassic period, the supercontinent Pangaea split apart. The northern half, known as Laurentia, was splitting into land masses that would eventually form North America and Eurasia. By the beginning of the Jurassic, plant life had evolved from bryophytes, the low-growing mosses and livestock. Reptiles were the dominant animal life form during the Jurassic period. In this time period, the largest marine carnivores were the Plesiosaurus. Major species of Jurassic period: Demophodon, Kentrosaurus, Pterodactyl, and Cryptoclides. Now, moving to the Cretaceous period. The Cretaceous period was the last and longest segment of the Mesozoic era. It lasted approximately 79 million years, started 145 million years ago and ended 65 million years ago. In the early Cretaceous, the continents were in very different positions than they are today. During the Cretaceous period, more ancient birds took flight, joining the Pterosaurs in the air. Major species of Cretaceous period: Dacosaurus, Nordosaurus, Ornithocheirus, and Tyrannosaurus rex, that is also known as T-Rex. In the end of the Cretaceous period, that is 66 million years ago, dinosaurs disappeared completely except for birds. Many other animals also died out, including Pterosaurus, large marine reptiles, and ammonites. An asteroid impact was the main culprit that caused large-scale climate change was also involved. In the 1990s, scientists located the massive Chicxulub crater at the tip of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. So that is it for this video guys, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. And here is the answer of that question we asked earlier in this video. that is Spinosaurus. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.